vehicular movement. So we have issued an order as per the direction of the Home Political Department, wherein only 25% of public transport will ply on any given day. So the arrangement for this has been given by the district transport officer yesterday, in which a system has been made that vehicles ending only in particular numbers will be allowed to ply between the 1st and the 8th of May, but this applies only to local taxis and auto rickshaws. All others will not be permitted. Buses and other vehicles which are transporting essential commodities will be getting passes from the exit district, from the exit block or district or subdivision, or from our office. When it comes to private transport is restricted except for people who are going out for essential works as per what has been listed out in para 7 of subsection A. Under this, it says movement only for the following purposes is permitted: on self-declaration, that is healthcare services, emergency services and vaccination. Anyone who needs to go to the hospital, anyone who needs to go for dialysis, for chemotherapy, to deliver a child, please don't be anxious or stressed that we will not get a pass. Go ahead. Nobody will stop you, even if you are checked, you have the documents, or you can explain to the officer in charge, to the police, to the magistrates. We don't want people to shy away from seeking healthcare during this time because you are scared of the lockdown or you are scared of action being taken. So we encourage help-seeking behavior, especially during this time. Similarly, vaccination. Anyone who wants to be vaccinated, please head to the closest center which is there. Agriculture and veterinary services, transportation of essential items, movement of students, teachers and staff related to conduct of exams, goods vehicles, accredited or registered press personnel, persons engaged in construction activities, persons traveling on essential government duty like civil defense and home guards, fire and emergency services, power services, water supply, and so on and so forth. It is all listed out in the order. However, we are also issuing curfew passes, inter-district pass, interstate pass as well, for those who wish to go to Guwahati to pick up their child, but subject to strict adherence to protocols. When you come back, you have to register, test at Jymmang, and proceed for home isolation till your results are out, and continue with 7-day quarantine period after that. So these are the key points which I just wanted to stress. Passes are usually delivered within a few hours of applying, within a day of applying, especially if they are of an emergent nature. But if you are applying for a pass for something which you have to do on the 7th of May or the 8th of May, we request you to be patient. It will be done in due course, because even today we have received hundreds of passes. Also, please be very, very vigilant. We have said that all non-essential movement is discouraged. If you don't have a genuine purpose, please use this time to stay home.